Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to manage who can reply on your thread. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up the Threads app. Now go to your profile page in the bottom right corner. Here you can see your thread post. Click on the menu button on the post. Here you can see the options who can reply, hide, like, count and delete. Now you'll have to click in who can reply option. And now it provides us with option anyone, profiles you follow or mentioned only. If you like your post to be replied by anyone, then select anyone. And if you like your post to be replied by the profiles you follow, then select profiles you follow. And finally, if you only want your post to be replied by accounts you mention, then select mentioned only. Here I'm gonna select anyone. And that is how you can manage who can reply on your thread. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.